Leasing decisions can be daunting, but breaking them into steps makes them clearer. Each lease type offers distinct advantages and challenges. It is essential for tenants, landlords, and investors to carefully evaluate their options. Sarah values the stability of her fixed-term lease. Mike enjoys the flexibility of his month-to-month agreement. Knowing your lease type helps tailor your living situation to your lifestyle and financial goals. Always consider your long-term plans when selecting the right lease. Evaluating lease types clarifies the renting experience. It also empowers individuals to make informed decisions. Understanding essential components, such as lease duration and security deposits, is important. This knowledge helps you better assess your options. It further ensures you choose what best fits your needs. Each decision affects financial stability and living flexibility. Be proactive in examining these facets to avoid surprises down the line. Ultimately, the right lease should balance personal requirements with broader financial considerations. It should also provide peace of mind. Leases play a crucial role in shaping the rental experience. They not only establish a contractual relationship but also outline expectations for both parties involved. Understanding the intricacies of different lease types helps individuals navigate potential pitfalls. It allows for more informed and confident decision-making. Sarah enjoys predictable expenses, while Mike must watch for changing rental rates. It's essential to approach each lease with careful consideration. This ensures it aligns with both your immediate needs and future aspirations. With the right knowledge, you can choose a lease that best fits your lifestyle. In conclusion, understanding lease types and their components improves your renting experience. It ensures you can make informed decisions that suit your personal and financial needs. By considering all the implications, you can confidently navigate the world of leasing. This helps you secure a living arrangement that works best for you. Remember, knowledge is your greatest asset when it comes to contracts and agreements in the rental market. Happy renting. In summary, lease types play a major role in shaping the renting experience. They ultimately define an individual's rights and obligations. Whether opting for a fixed-term lease for security or a month-to-month for flexibility, the informed tenant. This approach leads to smoother decisions and fewer surprises. Ultimately, knowledge empowers successful renting and better long-term finances. Navigate leasing wisely to create a living environment that suits your best interests. Happy renting, and may your choices bring fruitful outcomes. Leasing is more than a formality. It's a strategic decision that considers your circumstances and future goals. As we dissect each lease type, remember that your unique situation determines what will work best for you. Engage with resources available to deepen your understanding and stay informed about your rights. Equip yourself with knowledge to build confidence in your decisions. This will help you make the best leasing choices for your life ahead. Enjoy the journey of finding a home that truly resonates with you. In the next video we will discuss about quality control in facilities operations. Stay connected with us to receive the latest updates, news, and important information. Thank you.